You can use Find and Replace in Excel to change cell colors. I have these red cells that I want to change, but they're scattered all throughout my spreadsheet. So in order to use Find and Replace, the first thing I'm going to do is select everything in the spreadsheet. I'm going to click in the upper left-hand corner and the Select All button, and that will select everything in the spreadsheet. Then I'm going to click Find and Select, and I'm going to choose Replace. In the Find and Replace window, I'm going to click on Options, and then that will add this where I can actually choose to find and replace by format. For the first thing what I want to find, I'm going to click the down arrow next to Format and select Choose Format from Cell. The little symbol appears, the plus sign and the dropper, and I'm going to select a cell with the color that I want it to find. So I selected this cell, and you'll see the color right here. This is what it's going to find. And now I'm going to click just on the Format button on the bottom one. I'm going to select the color that I want it to change the red cell to. So I want the red cell to be changed to this turquoise. And then I'm going to select OK. And so now here I can see I want it to find the red cells and replace them with blue. So if everything's correct, all you have to do is click Replace All. It'll say All Done. Say OK, and you close this. And you can see that the cell color has been changed on all of those cells that were red. It is now the new color that I asked it to change it to.